Mark capture, glide capture. So, runway heading of 24 Mr. British altitude of 3,000 feet, please. Set. Thanks.
KLM 933 descent altitude 3,000 feet.
So that is 3,000 kilometers.
Yes, on please.
64 Whiskey Quebec, descent altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 990 hectopascals.
On.
Descent 6,000 feet, QNH 990 hectopascals into 64 Whiskey Quebec.
Taxi Papa, speed 165 till 5 dB.
165 to 5. Say Papa.
Flaps 5.
KLM 933, turn left heading 330 degrees.
Left heading 330 degrees, KLM 933.
Flaps 5. Thanks.
Taxi Papa, contact tower 18.705.
Tower 118.705, Papa. Tower, good evening, 3 Papa, establish ILS, come on.
3 Papa, continue approach, surface wind 260 degrees, 17 knots.
Continue, 3 Papa. EZ41 Kilo Hotel, going around for windshear.
41 Kilo Hotel, thank you.
Go around for windshear, okay.
Blue Max 1 Tango, Tango, runway 24 clear to land, surface wind 260 degrees, 19 knots, maximum 30.
Oh, it's gone up quick.
Runway 24 clear to land, Blue Max 1 Tango Tango.
Just keep an eye out on the 5 miles in case I miss it. Will do. In case we don't see it. He said it was windshear, wasn't he?
Yeah.
EZ41 Kilo Hotel, climb straight ahead to altitude 4,000 feet.
Straight ahead, altitude 4,000 feet, 4 Kilo Hotel.
Terrain is noted. Check.
EZ41 Kilo Hotel, contact radar 121.205.
1205 is 4 Kilo Hotel.
Is approaching 5 miles. Okay. Alright, you're at Alpha, that's 15, speed checked. Match the speed, please. Line checks down the flaps. Cool, checks the flaps. Wind rise. So, start switches. Continuous. Recall, checked. Speed brake. Armed green light, landing gear, to enter greens. Auto brake, free set. Holding on the flaps. Okay, give it 1 second. Flaps 30, speed checked. Bring it down like a couple of knots maybe, yeah, that's it. There, perfect. And when you can, flaps. 30. 30, green light. Holding on the landing lines. Roger.
Tower Local 933, you're still at 24.
KLM 933, hello, continue approach, surface wind 270 degrees, 18 knots, maximum 30.
Roger.
Great Papa, runway 24 clear to land, surface wind 270 degrees, 18 knots, maximum 30.
Clear land 26, Papa.
Blue Max 1 Tango Tango, taxi stand 1 Bravo via Echo.
Thanks.
Taxi stand 1 Bravo via Echo, Blue Max 1 Tango Tango.
Approaching 2-4.
Continue. Check. Take max wiper. Come on, wipers to max.
Plus 100.
Check.
Minimums.
Continue. Check. Speed brakes up. Thrust is normal. Value braking. Auto brake to sound 100 knots. 80 knots. Oh god, yeah, take that off.
160 Charlie Tango, stand 160. Press push and start,
Nicely
please.
done. Thank you.
160 Charlie Tango, thank you. There's company traffic inbound behind you to park on 1 Bravo. Once they've done that, then stand 1, your push and start is approved.
This is a horrible day. Jeez.
Yeah.